Hi, this is Judy at Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you a couple different ways to rotate your embroidery designs and why you may want to do that. Here's a blanket, and we're going to add a logo at the corner in 45 degrees. So instead of doing over processing, measuring and marking and hooping at exactly 45 degrees, I'm going to hoop it straight and I'm going to rotate my design by 45 degrees. And actually this gives you a little more real estate because you're sewing corner to corner. You might be able to make your artwork a little bit bigger. So let's go over to the Barudan. And on the automat screen, we're going to go to Program. And then if you don't have Program, you can go to Edit, and there it will be. And then we're going to go to number 3 here, Rotate Pattern. Now this is only going to rotate by 90 degrees at a time, and you'll see, watch that F, number 2, number 3, now it's upside down, number 4, it'll go 90 more degrees. And when you hit number 5, it will mirror your artwork, and 6, 7, and 8 will rotate that mirrored artwork. Now these are only by 90 degrees at a time. So we want to go 45 degrees. So let's put this back to 1, which is straight. And we're going to go down here to angle. Now angle, you can put in whatever degree you want. We want 45 degrees. So we'll just hit enter and then hit the edit button to get out of here. And it will ask you program change. You want to hit yes. And now our artwork is at 45 degrees. And that only affects this particular